Best espresso machines. At number 5 in our list, the DeLonghi AC155. This DeLonghi AC155 espresso maker is designed to look sleek and contemporary. It is small enough to easily fit in any kitchen. The DeLonghi AC155 espresso machine is the nearly perfect device to quickly deliver a wonderful cup of espresso, with that great cream of foam at the top. This espresso maker has stylish silver metal accents, and its relatively small size allows it to fit nicely on any countertop. It contains a large reservoir allowing you to make approximately 8 to 10 shots of espresso. At number 4 in our list, the Gaggia 14101 Classic. The Gaggia Classic espresso machine features an advanced and modern technology combined with a classic design. This espresso machine is made in Italy. Known for its commercial quality construction and high performance, the Gaggia Classic is loved by coffee aficionados. The machine is built to work with coffee pods, so it is capable of delivering up to 2 cups of coffee at once. It also features a hot water dispenser for those who prefer having tea or hot cocoa instead. At number 3 in our list, the DeLonghi ESAM3300. The DeLonghi Magnifica, a super automatic espresso machine, allows you to enjoy fresh cups of espresso in the comfort of your own home. The reason is because the espresso machine has the capability of grinding fresh coffee beans under 15 bars of pressure and making you the freshest cup of coffee. Besides being able to make espresso, the DeLonghi espresso machine also has the capability of making you a perfect cup of cappuccino, latte, as well as normal coffee. At number 2 in our list, the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso maker with automatic milk frother. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso maker is easy to use semi-automatic coffee machine. Enjoy rich-tasting espresso coffee, creamy cappuccino or delicious latte in the comfort of your home, with this 3-in-1 espresso machine with user-friendly controls. Select your coffee type with just one simple touch and enjoy your coffee. And on the top spot in our list, the Breville BES870XL. The Breville has made its name as one of the best quality espresso machine manufacturers. The Breville espresso machines are known for their superior quality and durability. With the Breville Barista Express espresso machine, you can now enjoy your espresso just the way you like it in the comfort of your own home. Making an espresso has never been easier, no matter if you have experience or none. For more information, visit www.ZoomRanker.com.